Hello YouTubers, this is Jack of all trade. Right now I am going to fix this dryer right here. This is the Samsung moisture sensor. This is uh, very advanced dryer. They are all digital, so right now I need to start because this is one is making noise. So now I need to fix this one. We need to open up on inside to see what is happening. So I need to start so that you can hear what the sounds look like. Something wrong in the belt, in the pulley. Maybe it's the bearing is bad, so I'm going to open up the one up. So I'm going to open this thing here on the front, so that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, see how it sounds right there. Okay, I already opened up. See that there? So right here. Okay, that's one thing you don't open. So the only thing you need to do is you need a flat screwdriver. You just pry it down over here on the front, and then you're going to remove all this screw right here on the front so that you can remove the drum. And this is the belt right here which is attached on the pulley. And you have also 4 screws on the bottom right there. So I'm going to open up that one. So yeah. Okay, right now. I need to remove this screw right here in the front. You have 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3, and the one in the bottom right there, I already removed them. They have 4 screws on the bottom. You just only need to put on, when you take it off that, you need something like to put it on the bottom with like a small chair like this. So that's what you're going to do. So right now I'm going to remove that, put this one up. Okay, now I remove the front right here. So all you're going to do is to remove all this wire right here. This is you just clip down over here. There's a clip on the bottom of it. So that's what you need to do. Remove that. Okay, when you remove that, and then okay. So that's the sensors right there, all the way going to the control panel on the top. So you need to remove this so that you can remove the cover. Then I will remove the drum, so that I need to look up on the bottom the pulley right there. I was thinking about maybe the bearing is bad already. So on the top of here you have like 3 screws, one over here, one over on that side, and one over here. Okay, everything is out. So I removed this one already. So this is, look at that link right there. So I have to clean that thing out. And here, this is the fan motor right here, and you got this sensor taken off. So right now I need to go and look at that pulley right there. If you see that pulley right there, the white pulley, that's the one I need to remove it. Maybe that bearing is bad, so I need to check that one out. I need to remove the drum. So I already removed this thing too. This is the piece of part in front. So you're going to do is clean out. Okay. Okay, I removed the drum already. It's right there. It's already outside. I removed that. Now I need to look at this. Okay, this all your elements right here. You see this one was heating up, and you have another one on the back here. So this is for the this is the moisture dryer. So that's why they have one over here and one on the top right there. Because normally dryers they have only one on the back right here for the coil elements. So right now you see this is all the motors right here. So this, you see how worn out this thing. This bearing is bad right here. See the pulley? It was like melted already right there. So that's the one who's making noise. You see all this pulley right here, these are heavy duty, not except for this one. This has always been a problem with the dryer. When you're opening a dryer all the time, you have a problem with it. This is normal, always been broken, because look at that. If you can see there, that is melted. Okay, and this is the pulley. So this is like in the car. In your car, you have your belt tensioner, which is, they call it the pulley. So that's the same thing as this one. So if you have your belt tensioner is making noise in your car, so this is the same thing over here in this dryer. So, and this is your motor right here. So I need to clean this thing up. See, there's a lot of debris of metals right here. See that right there? So I need to clean up, and I need to remove this, and I need to order this one, and I need to remove that. There's a clip on the back of that. Okay, I removed already the pulley right here. As you can see, if you see it's inside, look at that right there. It's been you know, metal to metal. So this one it's right there, so that's why you have a lot of debris down over here. See those things? That's the one it came from on the side of that. So right there. So I need to get a new one of this. So that's the problem. That's why you're making a lot of noise. So when you put a new one again, it's gonna be go back in the same working really good. So, and this is still a good dryer. This is only like what, 3 or 3 years old. So, well, maybe more. And this is always normally the problem with this thing, the pulley. Okay. Alright, that's the only thing you need to do. So I'm gonna order this one and put it back on again. So the same way, whatever you took it off, so the same way you put it back on. So, alright. Okay, this is the pulley. I ordered it online. This is for the Samsung right here. So I learned pulley with the complete set. Not only the bearing here, it's include everything. So, but I'm going to use still the original one, and just going to use this one, and I'm going to install this to the dryer. Okay, this is the pulley right here. Okay, and that's the other bracket down over here. So I'm still going to use this. I'm just gonna because this is original from this one, for this Samsung. So I'm just gonna use that. I'm just gonna remove this bearing here. I'm just gonna remove that clips and then put it back on right there. Okay, I already put it in, and this is the new one here, as you can see. Alright, that's the new one with a complete bearing. So I just gonna put the one right there. Okay, and this is the one it came from with that. And I don't want to use this. I don't want to use this. I just want to use the original one. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use. And yeah, that's all the thing I'm going to use, and I just need to use that. Okay. And here's the original before. So this was really bad. Look at that. It was, you know, it was grind metal to metal. So that's why I'm gonna put some more grease on here, so that it's gonna be, you know, works more really good. So I have some more grease to put it in, and I'm going to put that clip. The clip is only like this triangle. Okay, I'm just gonna add more of this general purposes grease right here. So I'm just gonna add that right there. I'm just gonna remove it again and put some more grease here, so it's gonna be more, you know, a little bit sleepier when it's gonna be, you know, run really good. Okay, right there, put that, put them on the back. Okay, and then now you can put that there. All right. Okay, that's really good. Okay, I already put the drums here, and I get the belt back, and also the pulley right there. See the pulley, as you can see right there, and connected to the motor. So the only thing you need to do is, you know, you can put your hands right here, and then you just pull it the belt, and to put it on the pulley. So it's easy to put it in, very easy. So that's it right there. I'm just gonna put the cover in the front right here, and then everything to put it back, and then that thing right there, put it down here. So it's gonna put still the cover here. Okay, I already put this in the front, everything here. Okay, and I'm just gonna put this sensor right here. Just gonna plug this thing in. Okay, there you go. It's the one. So we have more screws here. This screw is from the bottom here, and I have 3 more here. That's gonna be go on the top down over here. Okay, everything is back. All the screws over here, inside of that, everything in there, and I'm just gonna put this filter right here. Just the filter on the front, and screw 1, 2, 3 here. Everything on the bottom. Close the door. It's open right there. It's on. You can turn it off right there. Okay, there you go. And then right here, I open up, and I want to see it how it's turning, and then turn it on. Turn it on like that, right there. And now you're just gonna start. Press the start. Okay. There you go. Right. It's very smooth run right there. Pulley, the pulley works really good. You get the belt right there. See, this is very quiet. It's not like before, it was like a metal grinding. That's it. So everything is already intact, and that right there, right here. That seems good. It's working. It's gonna lock this thing down, put it down. So yeah, all right, and all right. Okay, that is done. All right. Okay, just gonna close that again. Thank you for watching. This is Jack. I will try. Thank you. Bye bye.